Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming what kind of backup you have and why that matters. If it is Google Backup, you restore settings and apps automatically. OEM or manual files behave differently. Once done, make sure the phone is charged above 50% and connected to stable Wi-Fi to avoid interruption. Now open Settings, go to System, then Backup, or mount external storage to access the backup file. You will now choose the exact backup snapshot to restore. You sign into the same Google account used to create the backup because account linkage restores app data and preferences. Next, select the snapshot you want and use the restore options to include apps, contacts, SMS, and media. Uncheck anything you do not need. Make sure to grant permissions when prompted so apps can write restored data. While the restore runs, avoid heavy usage. Background restore can continue and then reinstall apps and recover settings automatically once files are in place. You finish by verifying key apps and personal data. Open your email, contacts, and photos to confirm. If something failed, retry the restore while connected to a different, stable Wi-Fi network and ensure time/date is correct. Alternatively, transfer the manual backup file via USB and import. If an app refuses to restore, clear the Play Store cache or uninstall and re-download it, then sign back in. One tip: reboot the device after restores to finalize file permissions and background sync.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.